Happy Thanksgiving. If you're in the United States, you know this weekend is the weekend we celebrate Thanksgiving. And I want to take just a moment and say thank you to you. I'm so grateful for the community that we have around AI in the Facebook group, the people that I'm coaching, people that participate in my challenges, people on my email list. Each one of you, if you're seeing this, you're part of that community. And I want to say thank you to you for your tremendous support and for making this community just absolutely amazing. So as we head into Thanksgiving here in the United States, I know it's different in other parts of the world, but I just want to, again, take a moment and pause and let you know how much you are truly appreciated. I also want to share with you a fun prompt that you can use. And we talk a lot about business prompts and things like that on a regular basis, marketing and you name it. But this one's a little bit more fun. Whether it's this weekend, if you're in the United States and you're celebrating Thanksgiving, or if it's just over the holidays that you choose to do this, this is a fun thing that you can do with your family members, with kids, and have a great time leveraging AI for fun. What is it? It's really simple. I'm going to have you go ahead, or encourage you, I should say, to go ahead and create an interactive story with AI. How do you do that? It's really simple. I'm going to share the prompt down in the description to get you started, but it's as simple as this. Open up your favorite AI app like ChatGPT and start by telling it that you want to create an interactive story about any topic. In this case, let's choose Thanksgiving and maybe how the turkey avoided getting, picked to be on the dining room table. And so we're going to tell ChatGPT we want to create an interactive story from the turkey's perspective about how they managed to avoid being picked for Thanksgiving dinner and went on to live a longer life in the barnyard. It's simple and it's easy, and we're just going to ask ChatGPT to start the story by giving us the intro and then to give us 3 possible options that we can choose, and that we're going to make one of those choices, and then we want to have the system go ahead and give us the next step of the story. And we're going to continue repeating this where ChatGPT writes the next section of the story, gives us 3 options, we choose an option, it writes the next section of the story and repeats that process until we're done or have had enough. Give this a try with your family, with your friends, even if you're by yourself. Go ahead and open up ChatGPT, and to have extra fun with this, go ahead and turn on the voice feature. Let me show you what I mean. We'll do that now on my phone. I'm going to go ahead and grab my phone. We're going to go ahead and open up our ChatGPT app. It has a great voice feature. And let's go ahead and do this real time, and I'll show you how it can work. We're celebrating Thanksgiving here in the United States, and I want to put together a fun and interactive story. I'd like this story to be about how a turkey avoided being picked for Thanksgiving dinner. And I'd like you to begin by telling me the first section of the story and then giving me 3 options that I can choose of how the story would proceed. When I choose that, I want you to write the next section and then give me 3 more options, and we'll repeat that until I tell you the story's done. Can we begin?
Absolutely. Let's get started. Here's the beginning of our story. Once upon a time, on a quaint little farm, there was a clever turkey named Tom. Tom had heard the whispers among the other animals about the upcoming Thanksgiving feast. He knew he had to think quickly if he wanted to avoid being the main course. One crisp morning, Tom hatched a plan. How should Tom begin his quest to dodge the dinner table? Option 1. Tom decides to disguise himself as another animal on the farm. Option 2. Tom rallies the other turkeys to stage a great escape. Option 3. Tries to negotiate with the farmer, offering a different dish for the feast. What's Tom's first move?
I think we should negotiate with the farmer and convince him that turkey's not on the menu this year.
Great choice. Here's what happens next. Tom, with a confident strut, approaches the farmer while he's tending to the animals. Clearing his throat, Tom begins. Good day, kind sir. I propose an alternative to the traditional turkey feast. What if, instead, we celebrated with a grand vegetable medley? After all, it's the harvest season. The farmer, amused by Tom's boldness, considers his proposal. What happens next? Option 1. The farmer agrees to a cooking contest where Tom must prove the vegetable dish is tastier than turkey. Option 2. The farmer is unconvinced, and Tom must think of another way to change his mind. Option 3. The other animals join Tom, each offering their own reasons for sparing the turkeys this year. What's your pick?
I love protein, and my wife loves vegetables, but I can't imagine replacing all the protein with veggies. And let's choose the farmer wants to have Tom do a cook-off and prove that vegetables can actually taste better than meat.
Fantastic choice. Here's what happens. The farmer, intrigued by Tom's confidence, announces a cooking contest. All right,
Stop.
Tom, if you can whip up a vegetable dish that's...
So I'm going to stop. I'm not going to continue the whole story here, but you can see how easy that could be. Imagine gathering around with your family, your friends, your grandkids, your kids, and carrying on an interactive story like that. I can imagine it going on for 10, 15, 20, maybe 30 minutes. My son and I recently did this on a trip, and we literally had a story that spanned hours. Now, you don't have to take that long to do it, but it's great fun. Your family will love it, and you'll have a great time. So thank you for all that you do. Let me encourage you to give thanks for the things in your life. Let's look at life through an abundance mentality. The glass is half full, not glass empty. And let's give thanks over this weekend and have some fun with AI as well. I'll see you next week, and I look forward to all of your feedback. Make it a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.